Hello friends, I'm Rohit Tiwari and today I'm going to let you know a few wonderful words that will help you to crack banking sector exams, especially English language. Friends, for getting best of this learning, we must bear in mind a few things like we must notice the parts of a speech of a particular word. We must write down the Hindi meaning of it because there are generally two meanings associated with any particular word. That is a general meaning, and the second one is contextual meaning. And for that matter, I have uh, put here the usage of that particular word to make you understand the real meaning of this word. Apart from it, we must also mention here the synonyms and antonyms of this particular word with English meaning of this word. So, let me get started, friends. The first word for you is downright. It is an adjective and its meaning is in Hindi purn, but it's a general meaning. Okay, so later on I'll let you know the contextual meaning of this word. The first word, the meaning of it is of something bad or unpleasant, utter, complete, used for emphasis. It simply means when you are speaking about something that is really bad and unpleasant, you have to use this word. Like here I use the word like it was downright bad marking. Like you may say it was downright bad, speaking bad significant signifying. So this way it will help you to understand the really meaning of a particular word. Now we can say the proper synonym for this word is total, absolute, thorough, perfect, sheer. That means the complete coverage of a particular thing. That is the meaning of this word. Downright means the completely, thoroughly. Okay. So and the antonyms for this is inadequate, incomplete, insufficient, and unfinished. So coming to the next word, that is contrite. It's also an adjective. It means to repent for something. Something which you have done something very wrong, something you have done immoral, or something if you have done which is not on compliance with the moral code of conduct, or something which is not good. You are you are feeling very regretful, and you are repenting for that. That is the meaning of this word. And only one meaning is appropriate, sufficient to know. That is the general meaning is feeling or expressing remorse at the recognition that one has done something wrong. The synonyms of this word is remorseful, repentant, penitent, regretful, and the antonyms unrepentant, defiant. इसके यूसेज है सी मस्ट बी हम्बल एंड कंट्राइट. लाइक दिस यू मे मेक many more sentences to make your understanding very clear. So let me come to the next word, and that is wither. Wither is a verb. It means to reduce something. All right. So the meaning, it fall into decay or decline. Obviously, if you want to ostracize something, you want to really remove something, it has to be fallen into decay, or it has to be declined. So synonyms for this is diminish, dwindle, shrink, lessen, fade away. Antonym is grow. Obviously, grow means to augment in its culminated form. So, the usage for this word is words to express her feelings seemed to wither and die inside her. So that means wither means to automatically die. Actually, even if you do not use die here, it in itself it is a complete sentence. So coming to the next word is humorous. Humorous, it is an adjective. And remember, friends, if in any word in last ous is added, it is an adjective. So it means interesting, riveting, or something which is very amusing. Yeah, the synonyms for this word is amusing, comic, and some synonyms also can be like riveting, interesting, and intriguing. Antonyms for this is boring, serious. Usage for this, I suppose the play is quite humorous, but it is let down by actors' weak performances. Friends, there are many ways which you can make the words used in a particular sentence in order to make it really usable later in your life. Like here it means funny or making you laugh. And the next word for you is placate. It is also a verb. It means to make less angry or hostile, to try to make someone appease, try to make someone assuage regarding what they are angry for. And for the antonyms for this word is aggravate, annoy, antagonize, bother, provoke. Okay, so the usage for the word is the police officer tried to placate the two scared drivers at the scene of the accident. So this way, friends, you may make a few words every day. Try to write synonyms and antonyms with the general meaning and contextual meaning of it, so that you may use it properly in your sentences. And this is very nice way to learn every day a new vocabulary. Just go through the newsletters editorial page, and you'll be able to gain a few new words every day that will enrich your vocabulary. And it will help you to understand the reading and comprehension section in the banking exams. So it will really help you to score 80 to 90% marks in that exam. So, friends, every day I'll come up with a few new high frequency vocabulary that you do really not know. So, okay, friends,